5 Best Table Saws of 2024, for any home improvement project. These table saws make home renovations precise and easy to handle. If you're looking to up-level the tools in your DIY arsenal, a table saw might be in order, while a saw and miter box do the trick for one-off cuts. A high-quality table saw slices through wood quickly. And with a higher degree of accuracy, the best table saw for your needs depends on the scope of your projects. Says Doug Green, owner and home renovator of Signature Properties, who also builds furniture as a hobby. If you're thinking about starting a small cabinet shop out of your garage, then that's going to call for more horsepower and higher-end saw models. Says Green, noting that type of work also requires the precision of higher-end table saws. There are 3 types of table saws: job site, contractor, and cabinet table. If you're more of the DIY warrior type, Green says to opt for the job site or contractor models. These are smaller, more compact saws that fit better into a home workshop and are totally portable. He explains, they are still powerful enough to tackle any DIY or home-based project. We researched the best table saws, and our top picks were based on factors like rip capacity, blade diameter, and ease of use, including portability and storage. Number 1. Dewalt Job Site Table Saw. Dewalt is a brand that's synonymous with high-quality tools. And this job site table saw is no exception. This table saw features an ample 32.5-inch rip capacity to take on hardwood and large sheets of plywood. A 15-amp motor, 4,800 RPM, powers the 10-inch 24-tooth carbide blade. The 10-inch blade can cut up to 3.125 inches at a 90-degree angle, and up to 2.25 inches at a 45-degree angle, so you've got options for your wood-cutting needs. The table itself is sturdy and ready to hold up to hefty materials. It's easy to adjust the blade for various cuts. There's a handy storage system that offers easy access to components, like the blade guard assembly, rip fence, blade wrenches, miter gauge, and push stick. Plus, there's also a place to wrap the 6-foot cord up neatly when you're in between projects. The saw and its components all fit onto a rolling stand for the ultimate in portability, so prepping for and breaking down after a project is quick and easy, not into the sawdust-covered look. There's a 2.5-inch port that not only grabs sawdust and debris, but it hooks up to a vacuum for easy cleanup. The table saw is an investment, so if you're on the fence, keep in mind this table saw comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1 year of free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you've got time to try out your new purchase. Number 2. Craftsman 8.25 in 13-amp Portable Benchtop Table Saw. This compact table saw by Craftsman is perfect for occasional home projects, but it's got enough capacity to take on larger projects. Plus, it's less expensive than other options, so it's the best table saw if you don't want to invest much in a model. This table is constructed of coated steel, which makes it easy to feed in longer planks of wood and other materials to be cut. It's also got a durable steel frame and a 13-amp motor, 5,700 RPM, that might make you ditch your handsaw for good. If it's accuracy that you're after, you'll get it thanks to the carbide-tipped 8.25-inch blade and simple lock rip fence. It should stay sharper for longer, so you can make it through longer tasks and projects without sacrificing clean cuts. This compact unit weighs under 40 pounds, so you'll have no problem with storage. Even better, it's got a spot on board for storing accessories and other tools to help you in your woodworking. Number 3. SKIL Heavy Duty Table Saw. If you're advanced in your DIY skills, you'll need a table saw that can keep up, like this one from SKIL. The worm drive means the table saw is both powerful and durable, making it the best table saw for heavy-duty projects. If you've got cuts of hardwoods, this machine will take each plank on masterfully. The worm drive on this SKIL features a 30.5-inch rip capacity at a cutting depth of 3.625 inches, which is an ideal combination for larger projects. It's equipped with a 10-inch, 24-tooth carbide blade as well as a miter gauge. It's also got a smart guard system with an anti-kickback device, so you can cut even the heftiest materials with peace of mind. The table saw also features include an insert plate, wrench, and push stick. A dust port takes on wood debris for easier cleanup. Need to adjust the saw's fence. A rack and pinion system makes it simple to do for better accuracy. At about 53 pounds, this table saw may be tough for some to move. However, an included rolling stand makes this easier to tote around on a job site or from room to room in your own home. Number 4. Bosch 10-in Worksite Table Saw. Portability is a feature that might not immediately come to mind with table saws. But this one by Bosch does indeed deliver. A wheeled stand is included for easy mobility and simple setup wherever you need it, plus there's plenty of onboard storage for the wrench and other components. This table saw has a powerful 15-amp motor with 4.0 maximum horsepower and 3,650 RPM, perfect for whatever rip cuts or cross cuts you need to make. The generously sized aluminum top offers ample space to set up your materials, and a 30-inch ripping capacity makes it easy to take on longer cuts of wood. Safety is paramount with this table saw. There's a smart guard system that offers anti-kickback protection and a guard assembly that protects you from the rotating blade but without an obstructed view. A restart protection feature prevents starting the blade up by mistake. This electric saw is configured with a soft start setup, which lowers the risk of tripping a circuit breaker when you're ready to work. Plus it's also got constant response circuitry to keep a consistent speed while cutting. Although it's compact and portable, keep in mind that this pick is still a corded electric style. Whether you're moving it around your home or to and from a job site, you'll have to ensure you're near an outlet to use it. Number 5. Microlix Mini Tilt Arbor Table Saw. This small but mighty table saw from Microlix is a worthy addition to the tool collection of hobbyists and occasional DIYers. This table saw plugs into a standard outlet and is able to make smooth and accurate cuts. With just a 3.25-inch blade, you won't be building a house with the Microlix. But you can cut wood molding and other thin, lightweight trim and other wooden finishes if you'd like. At less than 3 cubic feet in size and weighing around 11 pounds, it's rather easy to tote around your house, plus you can store it easily without taking up too much space. In fact, it fits into a Microlix tool case along with any of the accessories you purchase with it. This table saw has a 1-year limited warranty, which is shorter than some other styles. It's ideal for smaller projects, however, so it may be subject to less wear and tear than some other options. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.